Hello and welcome to another update video about Fantom. I think it's worth an update since we now entered the lower support region. Yeah, we did have previously two wave counts on the chart, two possible bullish ones. One of them has now been basically invalidated, not fully invalidated, but it's become very unlikely. So I've taken it off the chart. We now had to reset this B wave. This is certainly the preferred option now. This B wave was sitting here before. Now I did move it here. It's one of the scenarios we discussed before. But I said, okay, if we break below 35 cents, it is likely that we have to reset the B wave, and then it can still drop to 26.8 cents. But this is the last reliable bullish support I have left on this chart. Below that level, this is probably going to make a new low. Below the November low, which was 16.4 cents. The problem I've always had with this chart is that the move up here, of the November lows was just a three-wave structure. That's why we count it as an A wave, okay? And again, I can only encourage people only to look at really the high quality charts. I mean, Fantom is one that can do it, but it's just less likelihood compared to a chart that created a solid impulse of the November or December lows, okay? Because a three-wave move can always result in an impulse down. Now, the thing is that this was also a three-wave move, and therefore I think it has certainly a chance to find support here now. Next support level is the 30-cent level. That's the previous swing low here of the 10th of March. But in this WXY structure, it should ideally go below the 30-cent level. Because that's typically how it works. When you have a structure like that, the last leg of the correction would typically take out the first leg of the correction. Also, if we consider the length of this move, it's actually quite long. Let's just check out so we've now reached the 61.8 Fib extension. Okay, and that's why we currently find some consolidation here. That's at 32.9 cents. Below this level, again, I've got 30 cents as support. That is the 10th of March low. And then we've got the 27-cent level, which is the 78.6 Fibonacci extension, as well as the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement. So there's good overlap there. The only level I have left after that is 19 cents. That's the 1-to-1 ratio. I would not rule out that Fantom gets there, to be honest, but it would just be much deeper than it would be ideal. But again, at no point we've so far called that a low has been made. So again, the mindset at the moment has to be in this correction that we go down further. We're following the trend until price shows an impulsive reversal. I mean, the levels are defined. Yeah, we need to be watching for a reversal at possibly 30 cents, 27, and well, again, there's one level left here at 19 cents, but that's not a level I would trust anymore, okay? So this is sort of the situation here at the moment on the Fantom chart. Let's also check the indicators. I mean, the good news is the move down looks corrective, What I don't like so much is that it isn't recovering at all at the moment, so very, very weak. So looking at the indicators, going to the daily chart, that's the most meaningful here at the moment. So let's go to the daily chart. Yeah, you can see we're now basically oversold on the daily. Yeah, and that is sort of good news. I mean, price always needs to confirm that we're turning around, but being oversold on the daily is pretty good. A pretty good sign in crypto that things can be turning around. Now, it first of all means that we're in a strong downtrend, okay? But if you are oversold, or if we are oversold, this is certainly the period where we need to look for bottoms or, well, lows. We've had that here before on the 13th of October. We made a slightly lower low afterwards, but this created a bullish divergence and then it went, okay? So just be aware of that. We have no bullish divergence at the moment on this chart. So what would be good, is maybe one more low, but a higher low on the RSI on the daily. But yeah, I think we're now deep in support, getting deeper and deeper. I have no sign at all that this has bottomed. We might even be able to rearrange here the trend line, so it looks like it's rather moving in the channel now. And I guess a very first signal that things are turning around would be a break out of this channel. So let me just adjust that. So a break out of this trend channel to the upside would be a first indication that things might be turning around, but I would need to see an impulse as well. But yeah, for now, the trend is clearly down. It's not really slowing down in momentum, a little bit maybe. But as I said, it would actually be ideal now with this structure if price goes below the low of the wave W, so below 30 cents. All right, yeah, I know it's frustrating, but that is unfortunately what it is. The trend hasn't shifted yet, so we need to wait for the signals and have a bit of patience. Okay, that's my update about Fantom. I hope you will like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.